So what is a great and quick way to increase your digital product inventory? So basically how many products you have to offer and sell. The answer is affiliate marketing. So if you haven't heard of this before, affiliate marketing is basically when you sign up to sell another business's products or services or software and you get paid a commission on whatever you sell. So if someone uses your affiliate link and they decide to go ahead and buy that thing that you've referred them to, you will get a financial kickback from what they've actually bought. So I'll break it down for you. Let's say we had a product which is $40. The affiliate commission on that product is 50%. That means that every time someone buys that product, if you refer them to them, that means that every time someone buys that product, you will earn $20, which is pretty great considering you didn't have to make any products, you didn't have to design anything. All you had to do was send that traffic. When we're in the entrepreneur space and we're trying to sort of run a business, we always see people asking for help and asking to be referred to certain things. So imagine if you could refer them to the software or the service or the product and get paid every single time. It definitely all adds up, and it's a really great way to quickly increase your product range without having to make new products. Obviously, the end goal is always to have as many products as possible that we have made so we can get that full income from the products. But the second best thing to that is having some affiliate products that you sell as well that sort of fill in the gaps for products that you haven't currently got in your inventory. And that way you can always be referring people to the affiliate products, which you wouldn't be able to do otherwise. So I want to quickly jump in and show you my affiliate program in case you are interested. So I will drop a link to my digital product affiliate program below. So that is what it's called. And I basically have 15 beautiful bundles of templates and they're all niche specific. So you can see we've got the coach's toolkit, the live launch bundle, the brand bundle. And if you just have a bit of a read through this page, you'll be able to see how much you can get for selling each of these products. So there's lots and lots of things here which I've sort of made, and I know that they sell really well. I'm really excited to actually get them up because I've sold them for years on Etsy and I know that they're top selling products. So if you would like to become a digital product affiliate, I would love to have you on board. You can apply through this page. Again, I will link it below. Thank you so much for watching. So this is actually part of our challenge that we have going on at the moment. It's running for 28 days in February. So definitely if you're interested in that, I will link the playlist here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow.